Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2016 NV200. Okay. This is a SV model, so it does have power windows, power locks, keyless entry, which is very handy when you're on the go and working. Already has the ladder rack up top, just really nice. The railing goes all the way down, very sturdy. Another handy feature is it has the window package on the passenger side right here. Okay, there's your cage. It has the back glass package. Additionally, another super nice feature to appreciate is the rear window defrost, which is an upgrade. Let me open this up here. These will actually disconnect right here on the back doors. So you just pull the handle right there and it comes loose, just like that. So it extends out really nicely. So you can get an idea. You got your full rubberized floor mat there already. This is ready to go, ready to work. It's a rear cargo light, so that comes in handy in a work van. The SV model. Let me open up the other side door here. Back away to give you a better viewpoint, as you're going to be using this van every day probably, so except for hopefully not on the weekend. Hopefully you'll be taking your weekends off. There's the power windows and power locks that I mentioned. This has a nice it's got a cloth seating, but there's a vinyl bolstering right here on the side that gets the most wear. So that really helps keep your van cleaner by having those on the seats. You have power mirrors. There's your cruise control. It's got a CD player. It has an aux in. Okay. Automatic transmission, cup holders, extra charge point down there. Another nice feature, it has a place you can put a nice big clipboard or customer paperwork. Fits really nicely in right there, and another place for pencils, pens, and Sharpies or whatever you use for your business purposes. This also has the headliner, which I like in a work vehicle. Seems to cut down on noise intrusion as well. It just makes it nicer to work in. Good miles. So a excellent choice in a small work van. You can see more information on this vehicle for a limited time at newtonnissan.com.